Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota 4Runner SR5 Nightshade. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 driving on 20-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your black tout trim that comes standard in the Nightshade package. Of course, we also have fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and a smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this 4Runner and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. This 4Runner does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in the door handle and the vehicle will unlock. Those running boards do pop out as well. Taking a look in the door, on the bottom you have some nice storage space that runs along the entire side. Above it you have this nice little shelf handle. Your seating presets. On the top you'll find your power windows and locks. Next to the door you'll find your lighting options as well as your power mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats. And if we take a look on the bottom of the seating, you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. We're going to start this 4Runner up. It is a push to start. Foot on the brake and press that engine start button right behind the wheel there. Taking a look on the left side, this cluster right here will help you navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center. Below that you have your volume options. On the right you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and this display button does allow you to navigate through your multi-information display. Behind the wheel you do have your cruise control speed settings. Let's move on to our screen here. Right now we're on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. If we go ahead and press home, you can see there's a split screen with the navigation map on the right. And on the left you have any audio that might be playing, any device that might be connected. You can also press that and the map will enlarge. This 4Runner does have a backup camera as well. Underneath is your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides, like so. Underneath you have your USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, driver and passenger heated and cooled seats, some storage compartments, cup holders, and our center console. Lots of room in here. Of course, you got a 12-volt outlet in there as well. And lastly is the glove box. Button pops right down for you, providing lots of space. Let's close that up. Before we take a look at cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door you have some storage space just like the driver's side, and you'll just have this little shelf up here. Continuing with the all-weather mats, if we look behind the driver and passenger front seats, you do have these little nets for some extra storage. In the center here, if we pull this down, you have a nice little armrest, and press that button. That'll give you access to 2 cup holders right in the center there. And lastly, these seats do fold down. All you got to do is press this, and that'll give you access to that 3rd row seating right in the back. Opening up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath here. Of course, we have the 3rd row seating that is up, and they do go down. First, we got to press these, and the headrests will pop down, and then these come second, giving you lots of cargo space. Of course, the 2nd row seating goes down as well, and that'll give you some extra bit of space. If you take a look, we have some storage compartments and cup holders for those rear 3rd row passengers. To close up, all we got to do, we got these handles on both sides, just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota 4Runner SR5 Nightshade. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, navigation, and 7-passenger seating. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.